If you want to start making money from horse racing promos, you're going to want to download our HorsePower Chrome extension. But if you're not familiar with Chrome extensions, that might seem a little bit tricky. So this video is going to show you exactly how it's done. And the first step is to click on the software drop-down menu and then select HorsePower. And that's going to take us to a page where we can find the download link. So down about halfway down this page, you can see instructions on how to install. And there's a green link button here, and if I click on that, it's going to automatically download the file for HorsePower. So once it's downloaded, I want to see where it is, so I'm going to click on Show in Folder, and that's going to open up my Downloads folder, and you can see I've got the folder here. But it's a compressed zipped folder, so we need to extract the files from that. And how we do that is by right clicking on the folder, and then I'm going to extract all. So I can now choose where I want to extract the files to. So I've got an option to browse here. I'm going to go with the suggested folder that they have here, which is just to extract it to the downloads folder. So I'm going to click on extract, and once it's open, it's going to open up the folder completely. But if I close this one, you can see in the downloads folder I have the original zipped file, but I now have the extracted file as well. And you can leave this file here, there's nothing wrong with that. But what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to cut it from here, because on my desktop here I have a folder specifically for HorsePower, and you can see that I've got 3 previous versions in there, and I'm just going to paste in the latest version. So now that I've got it there, the next step is to install it onto Chrome. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to Chrome / extensions. And this page should look something like this. If you've already got some other extensions added, it might look a little bit different for you. But you'll see in the top right, there's a button to turn on developer mode, and that's what we want. So I'm going to click on that, and you see it opens up this additional menu. And if I click on Load Unpacked, it'll give me some options here. I can choose what I want to load, and I'm going to go to my HorsePower menu or folder and select the latest version. And if I then click on Select Folder, you can see that HorsePower has been added. And what you'll also notice is up on my toolbar here, I've got a little bonus bank logo. So if I click on that, it's going to open up HorsePower for me. And that's it, it's fully installed now, and I can start entering my filters and start opening up races for the bookies that I want to use, depending on what promos are available. So it's really quite easy. I hope this video has helped you out, and you can now install HorsePower on your Chrome browser.